Here's the secret. Baby nipples are not just a household necessity. They're part of a billion-dollar baby care industry. In the United States, parents buy them repeatedly. They need replacements often, and they're willing to pay for quality and safety. That creates a recurring revenue stream. Now, imagine spotting a gap in the market maybe. Eco-friendly silicone nipples, or designs that mimic natural, breastfeeding more closely. Entrepreneurs who identified these gaps partnered with manufacturers and marketed their products online through platforms like Amazon and Walmart, scaled their businesses to millions in revenue. And the kicker? Many of them started with just a few $1,000s and a simple product listing. So how do you make millions from something so small? Step 1. Identify a high-demand, low-competition niche. Baby products are perfect because parents never stop buying. Step 2. Source or design a product that solves a pain point. Safer materials, better durability, or unique features. Step 3. Leverage e-commerce platforms. With Amazon FBA, Shopify, or Walmart Marketplace, you can reach millions of US customers instantly. Step 4. Build trust with branding, certifications, safety guarantees, and strong reviews. Step 5. Scale with marketing, influencer partnerships, TikTok ads, and SEO optimized content. Drive traffic fast.